This video we will discuss exercise 2.3. So question number 1, first part of A, 1 by 4, this is the A part, 1 upon 4 of 1 upon 4. So it can be written as 1 upon 4 into 1 upon 4. So answer will be 1 upon 16. B part is 1 upon 4 of 3 upon 5. So it can be written as 1 upon 4 into 3 upon 5. So it will be 3 upon 20. Okay. Now C part is 1 upon 4 of. Of means multiplication, 4 upon 3. So 4 and 4 will be cancelled. So answer is 1 upon 3. Now second A part, 1 upon 7 of, that is multiplied 2 upon 9. So it will be 2 upon 63. B part is 1 upon 7 into 2 upon 9. So it will be 2 upon 63. Oh, I repeat the question. So this is the A part. Now B is 1 upon 7 of 6 upon 5. So it will be 6 upon 35. Okay. Then C, 1 upon 7 of 3 upon 10. So it will be 3 upon 70. Okay. Now move on question number 2. Multiply and reduce to lowest form if possible. Okay. So second question, first one, 2 upon 3 into 2 by 3. So first we have to convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction. So it will be 2 upon 3. This will be 3 2s are 6 plus 2, 8 upon 3. Okay. Then 8 2s are 16, 3 3s are 9. So it will be 1 7 upon 9. Okay. Second one, 2 upon 7 into 7 upon 9. So it can be written as 2 into 7, then 7 into 9. And 7 will be cancelled. So remaining is 2 upon 9. Third one, 3 upon 8 into 6 upon 4. So it can be written as 3 into 6 upon 8 into 4. Here this will be cancelled by 2. So 2 3s are 2 4s are. Okay, so 3 is 9, 4 4s are 16. Fourth one, 9 upon 5 into 3 upon 5. It can't be reduced, so we have to multiply. That is 27 upon 25. So it will be 1 2 upon 25. Fifth one, 1 upon 3 into 15 upon 8. So it can be written as 1 into 15 upon 3 into 8. 3 1s are 3, 3 5s are 15. It will be 5 upon 8. This is proper fraction. So we can't convert into mixed fraction. Okay. Then sixth one, 11 upon 2 into 3 upon 10. Okay. So it can be reduced. So the answer will be 33 upon 20. It will be 1 3 upon 20. Okay. Last one, seventh part. It will be 4 upon 5 into 12 upon, as will be this. Now it can't be reduced. So 12 4s are 48 upon 35. Now it will be converted into mixed fraction. Okay. Now move on the next question. Question number 3. Multiply the following fractions. Same question. So first we have to convert into mixed into improper. So 5 1 4 can be written as 21 upon 4. It will be, so 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. Okay. So 21 upon 5 2s are 10. So 2 1 upon 10. Second is 6 2 upon 5 into 7 upon 9. So it will be 32 upon 5, 5 into 9 and 32 into 7. Okay. Then it will be 2 to 4 upon 45. So answer will be 44 upon 45. Third one, 3 upon 2 into 5 1 by 3. So it will be 16 upon 3. So 3 upon 2 to 16 into 3. 3 and 3 cancel. 2 ones are 2, 2 8s are. Okay, so answer is 8. Fourth one, 5 upon 6 into 2 3 upon 7. Okay, so it will be 5 upon 6 into 17 upon 7. Okay, so no one can be reduced, so it will be 85 upon 42. So it will be 2 1 upon 42. Fifth one, 3 to 5 into 4 upon 7. It will be 17 upon 7 into 4 upon 7. Can't be reduced, so it will be 68 upon 35. Now into mixed, it will be 1 whole part, 33 upon 35. Okay, last one, 2 3 upon 5 into 3. It will be 13 upon 5 into 3 upon 1. So can't be reduced, so it will be 39 upon 5 is equals to 7 4 upon 5. Now last one, 3 4 upon 7 into 3 upon 5. So it will be 25 upon 7, then into 3 into 5. Okay, so it will be reduced. 5 ones are 5, 5 5s are 25. So it will be 5 3s are 15 upon 7. Now it will be 2 1 upon 7. Question number 4, which is greater? So question number 4th, first part, 2 by 7 of 3 upon 4. So we have to solve 2 upon 7 into 3 upon 4. Okay, this will be 3 2s are 6 upon 28. Oh sorry, it will be reduced. So 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. So it will be 3 upon 7 2s are 14. Okay, now it will be compared by this 3 upon 5 of 5 upon 8. So 3 into 5, 5 into 8. Now it will be cancelled. So it will be 3 upon 8. Okay. So we know that when numerator are same, so the greatest value of the denominator having the lesser value. It means it is less than the 3 by 8. So 3 upon 14 is less than 3 upon 8. Okay, otherwise you can compare by the cross multiplication method. Okay, next question, second one, 1 by 2 of 6 upon 7 or 2 by 3 into 3 upon 7. Okay, now this will be 1 into 6 upon 2 into 7. 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6. So it will be 3 upon 7. Now here 3 and 3 will be cancelled. So 2 upon 7. Okay, here denominator are same. So we have to compare the numerator. So 3 by 7 is greater than 2 upon 7. Okay. It means 1 by 2 of 6 by 7 is greater. Now question number 5. Shelly plants 4 saplings in a row in her garden. Okay. So 4 plants. Let us assume These are the plants. Okay, so 4 saplings in a row in her garden. The distance between 2 adjacent saplings is 3/4 centimeter. The distance between 2 adjacent saplings are 3/4 centimeter. Okay, now we have to find the distance between the first and the last sapling. It means we have to find the distance between this and this. Okay, so in this distance it is already given. Now how many gaps are there between the saplings? Okay, or you can say that number of gaps in saplings. So there are 3 gaps, 1, 2 and 3. Okay, so distance between the first and the last sapling is equals to 3 into 3/4. So it will be 9/4. You have to convert into mixed to 1/4 meter. Okay. Now move on the next question. Question number 6. Lipika reads a book for 134 hours every day. Okay. So time taken by Lipika to read a big book, that is 1/3/4 hours. Okay, statement you have to write. I am only solving the questions. Okay, she reads the entire book in 6 days. Okay, so she reads entire book in 6 days. So how many hours in all were required by her to read the book? Okay, so in one day how many hours she read the book? 1/3/4. Now total days is, in one day she reads 1/3/4 hour. Now 6 days, in 6 days she reads, so we have to multiply 6 into 1/3/4. Now it will be converted into improper fraction. It will be 7/4. So 2 3s are 2 2s are. Okay, then 7 3s are 21/2. So it will be 10 1/2 hours. Okay, question number 7. A car runs 16 km using 1 liter of petrol. Okay, how much distance will it cover using 2 3/4 liter of petrol? So it is very simple. In 1 liter petrol, car covers the distance 16 km. Now in 2 3/4 liter of petrol, car covers distance is equals to 16 into 2 3/4 liter. Okay, now 16 into, this will be 4 2s are 8 plus 3 11/4. Okay, so 4 1s are 4, 4 4s are 16, that is 44 kilometer. So car will cover 44 kilometer distance. Okay, this is the 7th question. Now question number 8. Fill in the blanks. Provide the number in the box such that, okay, 2/3 into, fill in the blanks, this is the box, is equals to 10/30. Okay, so we have to multiply, we have to make this denominator equal to 30. So we have to multiply in 10, then here 5. Okay, or you can divide this 10/30 by 2/3. Okay, now next is second, the simplest form of the number obtained in. Okay, its simplest form will be 5/10 will be 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10. So it will be 1/2. Now B part is, B first part, 3/5 into, by what, it becomes 24 upon 75. Okay, so 5 into what is equals to 75? Yes, 15. Here 8. Okay, now we can't be reduce 8 upon 15, so the simplest form of 8 upon 15 will be 8 upon 15. Okay.